Hi, I'm Joslyn. I am a resident here of Bremerton. I'm part of the Bremerton Prayer Walk, and I'm also part of Rock the Block. I was also there on the morning that the sweep happened on November 4th that the mayor gave a report on earlier. And I just wanted to state right now, and I'm sharing some information from our Rock the Block, that it is not to say that we only had 4 things of value when all of these individuals' most worldly possessions were there and were thrown away, including to the point where almost an individual was in a tent when they were still cleaning up. So it was not a well-organized event at all. Additionally, it was completely unconstitutional, and I know that we've talked about this ad nauseum, and I posed the question to the mayor last night on why did we lead it with enforcement on this before we had an opportunity. You know, the mayor was really proud of the fact that only 4 items of value were safeguarded, and I would be really shocked to know that that was all of it. And we took pictures of some of these contents in the tent, and there was a lot more of value, but the individuals didn't have the ability in order to carry it out. Additionally, the sweep that took place, the city council said we'll put it into the mayor's hands. The mayor said that we're not going to enforce it. What we were telling people was completely different than what had transpired, and so individuals were completely confused. It was completely a devastating event down there. It was nothing to be proud of. Did we work hand in hand with law enforcement to help where there were no arrests? Absolutely. But absent that, it was nothing to say that that it was a victory at this point in time. We've lost count of people of where they've gone. They have not gone into the shelter. Those that had hope no longer have hope because they're back to having nothing because everything was taken away from them. And so I think it's really important that the city council, in going forward, we have rule of law for a reason. We have constitutional safeguards, and it's not just for people with money. It's not just for people that have property or that are landowners anymore. We have a constitution, we have federal laws that need to be followed by any city government. And just because you guys say that something is constitutional, or just because you guys say that something should be done, does not mean that it falls within the purview of constitutionality. And and again, when we're talking about fiscal responsibility, when we're talking about what is this going to cost the county, what is this, when we look at the different legal options now, we have people who have lost a lot of things, and they have been keeping track of what was lost. There is not the police department does not have anything with the 4th and 8th Amendment in order to safeguard these property and give individuals the ability to get them at another time. So we violated the Constitution there.
I'm so sorry to have to stop you there at 3 minutes, but,
okay.
But genuinely thank you for